Alright, traffic pattern is at 900 feet, so we'll be there before you know it.
Okay.
Looking that way, no one's coming in, just go turn downwind. Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights, port turning downwind, 22 over the golf course, Santa Paula.
Yeah, Santa Paula traffic, the 2 RVs are turning a left crosswind for 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white, Santa is just off of 22, got the RVs in sight. Go behind you.
Okay, thanks.
Where are the RVs?
They're behind us, they just turned, they were just turning crosswind, they should be turning downwind in a moment.
Okay.
Santa Paula traffic, 2 RVs are turning
power.
downwind for 22, Santa Paula.
Power back, power back. Right there. Nose up. Get us below 75. 10 degrees of flaps now. Turn base. Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights, port turning base, 22 Santa Paula. Yeah. Wings level so we can look down the final, make sure no one's coming in with no radios. Now, careful not to pull up here. Alright, keep that speed up, nose down just a little bit.
Crosswind 22 Santa Paula.
Alright, we need more power. And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights, port turning final, 22 Santa Paula. Add a little power.
Santa Paula, 2 RVs are turning a left base, 22.
Alright, cool. Good to know they're right behind us. Alright, just don't clip these power lines in the wind. Little power.
I'm a 60. 65.
Yeah, and you're dropping. Trust me. You'd rather be a little high over these power lines and those trees.
Okay.
There we go. Nice, cut it. Beautiful.
And Santa Paula traffic, 2 RVs are turning a final 22, Santa Paula.
That nose nice and straight. Ooh, don't push it forward though.
I didn't push forward.
Yes, you did. It's on video. I'll prove it to you.
Okay.
Going like that for just a second. Alright, that nose is nice and high. Keep it nice and high. And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights, port on the go, 22 Santa Paula left close traffic.
Wow.
Quick, huh?
One thing that happened that was unexpected to me is that you press the rudder.
Yeah, I mean, I gotta be here in case stuff goes wrong.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white, Santa is turning left base 22 Santa Paula.
Our nose went pretty far right there for a second.
Wow. It's nice. Flying around the mountains are awesome. So turn.
Yeah, just a little bit farther. That's good right there. Where like it looks like all the landslide stuff. Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights, port turning crosswind 22 Santa Paula. Watch that speed though, nose down. We're pretty heavy, we got full tanks.
Okay.
That's why we're climbing so bad. And it's hot. Looks clear on the downwind. Go ahead and turn. Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights, port turning downwind 22 over the golf course, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, the 2 RVs are clear of the active.
The other guy is there landing now.
Yeah, it should be the white and red Satabria, I think.
Is there, see?
Yep.
About to get the threshold. Threshold.
Alright, go ahead and do your, let's see. We'll give him a little space.
What is he doing?
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 5443 Lima, departing runway 22, straight out departure Santa Paula.
We got someone taking the runway
Yeah.
too.
Keep keep going, right?
We'll go here.
And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning base for 22, get that departing traffic in sight, Santa Paula.
So we're not going to set it up yet, because once you do, it comes down real quick. So there's that airplane taking off that way. No one's coming in on final.
And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning final for 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white. Starbreeze turning left across 122, Santa Paula. Santa Paula traffic, red and white. Starbreeze, let down over the golf course 22, Santa Paula. Santa Paula traffic, red and white, Starbreeze turning left base, 22, Santa Paula.
Whoop. Yep. That nose light. Yeah, go ahead and hit it.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white, Starbreeze final, 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward on the go, runway 22, Santa Paula, left closed traffic.
Windy here.
Keep that nose nice and light though.
Huh?
Keep the nose nice and light. You gotta keep a little bit of back pressure. After you land, you try to keep the nose wheel off the ground. Or just, you know, keep a little bit of back pressure to keep it light.
Okay. Over here.
Santa Paula traffic, Husky 60 uniform is sticking.
It's my phone or what?
Sticking 22 straight up.
No, it's got a really weak radio.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning crosswind 22, Santa Paula.
So did you hear where he is?
He said he's departing 22, sounded like.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning downwind over the golf course 22, Santa Paula.
Oh, but you got the Santabria there. I don't see anybody else. Anybody on the runway, like about to take off? Alright, you go ahead and do the radios. It's just Santa Paula traffic, lowering lights forward, turning base 22, Santa Paula.
Starbreeze turning left crosswind 22, Santa Paula.
Oh, do the radios for me.
Alright.
I'm pretty concerned with everything here.
No worries. Fuel pump, carb heat, power.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning base runway 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white, Santabria is left downwind over the golf course 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning final for 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white Santa Paula turning left base 22 Santa Paula.
I'll hold it off a little bit longer this time.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white Santa Paula is turning left or final 22 Santa Paula.
Hold it off, yeah. There you go. Go.
Santa Paula traffic, low and white light support, on the go, runway 22, left closed traffic, Santa Paula. Santa Paula traffic, low and white light support, turning base, runway 22, or crosswind 22, Santa Paula.
Turning base? The base is too wide.
Look at this fire.
Huh?
Look at, all right, when we turn down, you'll see where the fire burned everything. Looks good there.
Okay.
Santa Paula traffic, low and white light support, turning downwind 22, Santa Paula.
Look off your left, see all that's like burnt.
Yeah. Oh, I don't need carbon now. Where's the fire that he was talking about?
Oh, it's not burning now, but there's like some charred stuff.
Uh-huh.
Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 72 Romeo. We're nearing the end of the runway for a downwind for runway 27.
27?
Santa Paula traffic, low and white light support is about to turn a base for runway 22, 900 feet.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white Santa Paula is turning left crosswind runway 22 Santa Paula.
I don't see that aircraft.
And for that other aircraft calling in for Cherokee, are you guys entering the downwind?
We're on the downwind. We're passing the approach end of the runway. 72 Romeo.
All right, you're right where we are then. You're at Santa Paula?
We're at Santa Paula. We're following an airplane that appears to be in the pattern.
Low wing, high wing?
Low wing.
All right, that's us. Cool. We'll return to base now. Santa Paula, low wing, white light support.
Got you. Thank you. 72 Romeo.
This guy just jumped in out of fucking nowhere.
He's there.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
I didn't hear him at all calling from anywhere. Yeah, we'll keep it up high.
How much?
And Santa Paula traffic, low and white light support, turning final for 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, 72 Romeo, turning base for runway 26.
22.
2726.
25, 24, 23, 22. Hey, yeah, keep that one. Keep that one. That one is gonna be cool, man.
All right, keep the. We'll keep the speed. Oh, you got flaps in already. Fuck them.
No, I don't have flaps yet.
Yeah, 10.
I should put it out.
Santa Paula traffic, 72 Romeo, turning final runway 26 or 27.
22.
22, man.
26 or 27, whatever it is. I didn't read anything about this airport before I came. I saw it on my map.
Yeah, I have no idea where I am.
Yeah. See, that's the kind of guy who didn't do any proper pre-flight planning. Don't be that guy.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white Santa Paula is turning an extended left base 22
guy sounds annoyed.
Yep.
I gotta come up
Because
here.
he was alone.
Yeah.
And now he's got 2 guys here, right?
And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward is over the numbers 22 Santa Paula.
Alright, now nice. And soft, baby bottom smooth here.
Santa Paula traffic, 72 Romeo is on short final, runway 22.
Yeah, that was a landing if I ever saw one. I got
Santa
you.
Paula traffic, red and white Satavia is turning a 2.5 mile final, runway 22 Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, little old lights worth on the go, 22 Santa Paula left closed traffic.
You like that one, right?
Yeah, that was a good one, man. That was nice and smooth. My arms are sunburned. I need to get some sunscreen.
Yeah. Same is happening with me here.
But see all this burnt stuff?
Oh,
Wonder when that was.
we're approaching summer, man.
No, I just don't remember seeing like a TFR or anything like that for fire.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning crosswind 22 Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, red and white Satavia is 3/4 mile final, 22 Santa Paula.
That's crazy. We never saw that guy coming in this. I don't know if he came in over the mountains or what.
Paula traffic, 72 Romeo is clear, runway 22.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning downwind 22 over the golf course Santa Paula.
I thought about congratulating the guy and be like, yeah, 2-2. But that would be kind of rude.
But then he's gonna be annoyed. What the heck?
All right, man. The last one. Make it a good one.
Okay.
And a half hour to get back. About how long it takes to get back.
It's about that, right?
Yep. Cool. You like this airport?
I love it.
Challenging.
Especially because of the wind, the turbulence is awesome.
I gotta come up here and finish my tail wheel endorsement.
Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning base runway 22 Santa Paula.
Nobody there.
Oh, looks good.
And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward, turning final for 22 Santa Paula.
I wanna practice more here.
I love this airport.
Very challenging, you know? Because you have all the cables, then you have the
if
mountains,
you ever
the
want to do
wind.
like a lesson up here and do some of the aerobatic training, you want to do that sometime? We'll
Yeah.
come up here, then we'll both go to this other school.
Oh,
We'll do a
absolutely.
lesson up here.
Traffic, red and white
Land up
Satavia is
land.
turning left downwind over the golf course 22 Santa Paula.
Watch your airspeed though. Keep that nose up a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Make it pretty like last time.
Santa Paula traffic,
Nice, good control.
Lima
Full
flight
back.
2 will be taking the active 22, departing to the east off of 11 downwind. Santa Paula traffic.
Wow.
And Santa Paula traffic, lowering white lights forward on the go, runway 22 is going to be left downwind departure to the east as well. We'll be heading back towards Santa Monica, Malibu Drive, or Santa Paula.